What's up, everyone? It's me again, talking about cryptos, talking about airdrops, and all those things. We know that bull run is on the way, bear market is saying goodbye, so we need to give up. Earlier, I made a video. For those of you who haven't watched it, it's about a possibility of airdrop, and I mentioned about the hints given by the Binance team on Twitter. So you guys can go ahead and check out this video. I put the link in the description. So let's move ahead with this actual video. So how do we get there? How do we get that airdrop? So as I mentioned earlier, Binance team gives a hint about possibility of an airdrop. They post 3 emojis and I believe, or 4 emojis. I believe this is about an airdrop coming for those of you who uses or probably get involved with the Web3, the Web3 wallet. It's not Trust Wallet. I want to put that very clear. It's an embedded Web3 wallet from the Binance team. I know Trust Wallet has a certain type of relationship with Binance, but this is not what it's about. So this video, it's about a tutorial about how to get this done. For those of you who want any more information about the actual airdrop information to where I get that, you can go and check the video. I'll post the link in the description. So with that being said, let's dive into how do we get ourselves ready for that airdrop. So what do we do here? So as any wallet, the key things to do is to get involved, is to get that wallet used. So how do we get there? So you go ahead, and this is the actual homepage of any Binance account. So there are 2 ways you can get there. You can go to that little button here, it's supposed to be your account button here, and you will see recommended Web3 wallets right over there. So this is right there. Or if you don't see it on the recommended one, you can click on more services. Then you will get a lot of services offered by Binance. Then you'll surely find a Web3 there. If not, you can go right back. So go to the home page, you go to wallet, and you will see on the top of the page, you will see 2 options. We'll see an exchange, which is where we are right now, with all the wallets, all spot wallets, funding wallets, earn what, future wallets, etc. And when you toggle that button, it sends you directly to the Web3 wallet. So as I say, there are 2 ways of doing it. Either you go to the home page, to the profile buttons on the top left corner, and you check on the service, you'll find Web3 is not always displayed on the services recommended. If not, go and click the more services button. You'll surely find it. If you can't, and I believe that that's the easiest way to do it. So go to your wallet and you will just toggle that button. So if I toggle back, I'll get back to my normal centralized wallet of Binance. But when I toggle to Web3, it sent me to a decentralized wallet. So this is for those of you who created a wallet already. So if you haven't, you will be prompted with the information greeting you to and ask you and show you how to create your wallet. Create a wallet, save the QR code. Very important. Once you create a wallet, they will ask you to back up that wallet. Very important. Back it up. Back it up on another cell phone. Back it up on the cell phone you use, and back it up offline too. But I mean, if at any chance you are somewhere where there's no internet, probably there's a way you can access your wallet. So there'll be 2 key things for 2 key informations. You'll be prompted to add a password. Very important. So after the password, you will be greeted with a QR code that you have to save, both and a secured email, and save on another device from another wallet. So make sure that you don't have those information split them. Don't put all information on the same position, because if you place your password in your wallet, like on the same file, then if anybody can access that file, anybody can get access to your funds on the Web3 wallet. But you have to save it, send it to an email. I'm talking about a QR code. The password needs to be, you need to remember it, or put it on a password manager if you have it. Whatever suits you. But the thing is, first of all, make sure that you remember the password. Number 2, save the QR code provided in 2 or 3 different places. That way you're safe. And third thing, don't put them all together. the password and the QR code. Make sure that they explain it somewhere that keep you safe. That being said, you'll be prompted to be exactly where you see that screen here. As you see here, mine is $0 because I haven't put in information. They need money there. So we'll be asking to transfer money. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll be transferring money from my whatever wallet I have and operating. So I'll be doing two things. I don't know if this airdrop will be regarded as, well, the criteria for the airdrop will be the volume of transactions or the number of transactions. What I mean by that is that if you make 10 transactions of 50 cents, then that gives $25 if I'm not mistaken. So, or that means $25 of transactions, but you got 50 different transactions. So the volume will be $25 because that will be the money transfer the transactions made. But if they consider the transactions quantity, transactions numbers, then you will have 50 transactions, just to give you an example of how this things, eligibility things work. Now, that's the first part, but I do believe we have to go to a longer extent to make sure that we're still in the win. So what I mean by that is, for any wallet, deposit is not enough. I don't know if you get what I mean. Deposit money in a wallet is not enough to give you to make you eligible for an airdrop. Some wallets, some services requires that you interact with the services. So since the wallet is not a dApp, so I don't believe there'll be a need for that. But to be social, I will first deposit money into it. I don't know, do the send or receive back. I'll be doing that thing. I'll be probably trying to swap, whatever things it is. So all those three features, I will make sure that I try them all. Send, receive, and swap. And then, as I said earlier, I didn't really know at that time if they had that browser functionality. I found out they have it. So we'll go ahead and here. So we click on the add funds. So we go ahead here. So we have okay, so they'll be taken straight from my funding wallet. So that's pretty much cool. I don't think there'll be fees. So I'll go ahead, and I said earlier, I'll be taking USDT. So go ahead and get some USDTs. No. Okay. So network, I'll choose BSC2 since it's cheaper. Let's see if there's anything cheaper than that. That's it. So you got 9 cents, 19 cents for transactions. So, but hey, wait a minute, they didn't tell me how much. Okay, so we'll see. Let's follow through. So that's it. So address already embedded, so you don't have to paste it back. We chose the thing. So we go ahead and transfer. Let's say I'll do transfer $5, for example. So 9 cents for network fees. So then I put 119, so I get $5 straight. Withdraw. Boom. Transactions made. So click confirm. And that's it. So we can go over history. We're telling you like doesn't we don't interested in that. So we go back to our thingy, and then that's it. So let's wait for the money to show up. So right here, let's refresh to see if we get our USDT ready. Right there, it's there. I have $5 on my USDT Tether BSC2 account. So let's get back to it here. So right here, all the way up. So I got $5. That's the receive part. So if you want to see, you can decide to send $2 back or play the thing. It's gonna cost you 19 cents, as you can see. So let's say I got the swap functionality. So I have $5, so I can decide to swap something in. So you can choose the okay. Plain simple. So I'll go ahead and say, because I'm using Binance. So let's go ahead here. So I don't know what the fees will be or what currency they'll be using for fees. It's 16 cents. So I'll go ahead and I'll be choosing, you know what? Let me just do $2. So I go ahead Why do you take it from my, okay, maxed out. So I'll be taking $2, just to give you guys an idea. So I'll be split $2. And I will just swap this money. Please try again later. So it seems like this functionality is not available yet. Okay. So let's see. I pick all 5 and see. Okay. Okay. Then why did I pick 2? It says not available. So, oh, okay. Maybe there's a glitch somewhere. Well, back on track. So I'll be converting $2 from oh, that's a late message. Never mind. So I'll be converting from my $5 deposit. I'll be converting $2 into BNB. So let's swap this back. Approved. So they'll select the best rate for you. So I guess it's one end, so you can do whatever you want. Enter the BNB to pay gas fee. Okay, so right here, this is something to be mindful of. Transfer a little bit of BNB to pay transaction fees. So, well, that's right. So we can go ahead and do the same as we did. So go back here, transfer funds. I'll be taking a little bit of BNBs. I'll be just taking $1. Let's say, guys, this is just for testing. So go ahead and take, I don't know, 0.02. Let's give me how many dollars? That's too much. I need $1. I need $1. So let's go 0.5. That gives me more. That's too much. I need 2 for 5 cents. No, that's not enough. I think I'll be using 36. Getting there. 39. And get 42. Okay, 43, 45, 44. Boom. So I got 44. So right there. So it's gonna take I'm taking $5. So let's get to 49. That way take 0.5 from network fee. So I don't know if they're gonna take it from the token I'm sending or from the remaining of my balance on the centralized wallet. So let's never mind. So take $1. So withdraw. Oh my God. So withdraw might be at least 0.9. So don't make my mistake. When you're doing this thing, use BNB first, because transfer USD, then you need to transfer it back. Because right now I get stuck with the USD sending because I need BNB to send it back as fees. You know what? Let's just get to it. So it asks for minimum 0.09. Oh, wait a minute, that's not what it says. It says supposed to be that thing, $2. Okay, fine with me, fine. Withdraw. Confirm. So good. Take some time, but we're there. Started from the bottom, now you hit. So, basic transactions done. Okay, let's see what we get here. Let's check the BNB. Because we need that BNB to pay for fees right there. So what do we get here? We have $5 of USDT and $1.92 on BNB. You can do two things. You learn from my mistake. Use BNB only when transfer. You can transfer, I know, $5 or $6 or $7 worth of BNB, and because you will still be able to swap the remainder of the BNB and use the rest to pay fees. If you do that, maybe by sending USDTs on the network, then you'll still need the fees. You'll still need to have BNB on this wallet, this new wallet, to pay the fees, and the only way to get it is to send money back. So once again, I made the mistake, so you don't have to make it. Go ahead and transfer BNB straight up. $5, $7, $10 depends on why you want to send but put it out so you can make transactions, because we'll be going over Pancake Swap, making a lot of transactions and swapping things, just to make sure that we get all those things done to get us ourselves ready for the airdrop. So I did the send, I did the receive part. I'll be doing the swap part right now. So the send can be at any moment, because I already have enough BNB to pay the fees. I already have enough USD, and I can be sending $1 or $2. I don't know if they have a minimum threshold for that, but we'll be testing that later on. So swapping things, I want to swap $2 to BNB, so I get more BNBs in that thing. Per moment, that'll be where the minimum spend amount for this swap is $20. You guys didn't say that? Wait a minute. Let's get to BNB and see. 0.002. That's $2. That's another $3. So, if I'm not mistaken, so you need to have $20. Oh, give me a second. Let me just use Theta. Okay, to BNB. See what it is. Max my $5. Okay, so guys, we need $20 to make the swap. So we need $20 of USD to make the swap. 20 something to make the swap to the Web3 wallet. So you know what? Never mind. We're learning. Hopefully you don't have to make that mistake I made. So okay, I got the whatever, call it the fees. So my swap thing is not working right now. So I need more. I need 20 something. I already have 5. So what I can do is, you know what? Let's do it. So let's go ahead and get USDTs, and let's just take Binance Smart Chain, Binance instance, and boom. So they say we need 20 something. I have 25, so I'll just put 20. That's fine. Okay, 0.19. Make sure that I get this 20 across. Withdraw. Boom, just a click. Perfect. Not interested in checking the history. Let's go ahead and check what we have right now. A little bit of refresh. So get $25 ready to make the transaction. So this video might be long a bit, because my mistake, you'll be learning from my mistakes, so you don't have to reproduce them. So you know you gotta have BNB, or you can just use BNB strictly, only get $30 of BNB, then you will cover the minimum transactions fees and the minimum required to swap a token. Or you can just do as I do, but I think the best way is to just only use BNB. You don't need to send any other tokens there. So right now I have $25 of USDT on the BSC blockchain and have enough BNB to pay fixes. Now let's go over the swap thingy. Let's see if it works right now. They say the minimum spend is right now. Well done, sir. We have our money. So I'll go ahead and do maximum swap, because because why not? So approved. And network fees. I don't know what these things means. Oh, that means if you want it to be faster. So let's see if there's any change in the price if I pick any other thing. That's the transaction details. Well, I didn't change anything on the fee, so there's something on the file. I don't know what does that mean. There was the initial one, so I just leave it there. So we click approved. And be asking for passkeys and stuff. So I think yeah. Security measures, and there we go. So let's see if we receive our BNB. Transaction successful. So we just swapped. So we can go ahead and see the history thing. That's the FAQ supposed to be on the, oh, let's see. Okay, tap here. All right, so we just deposit, and then we made a transfer. So we got 4 transactions done already so far. So $25 will get you across all those things. Deposit, swap. Now, it's not updated yet, so let's refresh a little bit to so to have 0 USDT and enough BNB. So I don't know how come it still show me that I have that. Let's click on it and see. That's strange. So let's see when we try to swap if it says we still have BNB to swap. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's not done yet. Oh, I need to confirm. Okay, but I did that already. You know what? Let's try. So you pass keys, security verification, which I did already, but I don't know why they say that. Order submitted. Oh, it's processing right now. Oh, my bad, guys. I probably didn't complete the transaction. So your request to swap, okay, was successful. Okay, I got a message, got a memo. Now let's go to my wallet and see if I still have. Okay, perfect. 0 USDT, and I have 25 something of BNB ready. Now I did the receive and the swap. You know, the send will be the same. Pretty much send it back to the centralized exchange wallet. Now, what I mentioned earlier is they mentioned about NFTs. So I don't know where they are for now. So we did the swap, we did the earn thingy. So that would be where you can actually stake your tokens to get rewards, API rewards. That's 7.18. Wow. So they give USD for $7. Wait a minute. Coinbase, it's 4 something. But here you have 7.1 API. That's worth thinking of checking. So let's see if they have Ethereum ready. Ethereum gets 0.95. That's not much. But all those are on Binance Smart Chain, which I don't care. So they have 46. Those are lending. Okay, let's check something. So if you're lending your stuff, you will get that thing. So if I want to lend USDT to somebody, they'll be using XVS, which is Venus platform. It's already, the logo is right there. So you get 7.1 APY, which is impressive for returns. Now we do you guys could go over the earnings and kind of investing stuff right here if you want to go. But we did the swap things, we did the whole receive things. We got market. Let's see what the market is about. So what do we have here? It's it's kind of set them into categories. So about top gainers, top losers, but it's gonna be the same as the as centralized, but with more details about which network there. Because centralized is no network; it's just everything is there, and then it's when you're sending or receiving, you have to select the network. But into the system itself, everything is the same. So right here, it's pretty much detailed because you can see the little logos of tokens. We see BSC, we see Ethereum. So we have the baby Grok. Oh, they have baby Grok on Binance. I didn't even know that. And remember, it wasn't. Wait a minute. I'm not sure that baby Grok is on Binance. It's supposed to be on MEXC. I remember it was there. It was just on BS. So those are the losers here. We have Grok. We have Joe. I guess it's Trader Joe. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, the gainers over here. Those are the kind of tokens and pretty much a lot of shit coins over there too. But that's not our concern right now. So you guys see, it's gonna give you an idea of how the DeFi market is and at this moment. So you have those tokens and on which blockchain they are. So you guys can, if you want to trade on that, you can go ahead and trade on that. So homepage, we got everything. We add funds, we do everything we want. We check the market, we check the swap. We did the swapping already. Earns, if you want to go over you have tokens that you're not using right now, you can decide to lend them. You can decide to just stake them probably. And those are for stable coins, and you guys can go ahead. And Discover is where we have all those dApps that you can actually get there. I mentioned about Venus already, which is the one that you can either use Venus directly on the app, or you can just use the dApp. It's the same. I used it before. Very interesting. So we have PancakeSwap, V3, Uniswap, APX, Venus Leader, whatever, and we have those NFT collections right here. So let's see, how does that work? Okay, you can select support network, and then interesting. Accept, confirm. Boom, right over there. I'm on Binance Smart Chain. On PancakeSwap, my bad. So right here I'm on PancakeSwap. So wallet's not connected automatically. I need to connect the wallet. So why do you ask me to do that? Let's see what they say over there. Yes, my wallet's connected, so it's supposed to be fine. Wow, that's a lot of networks. One chains a color. Well, it's not my concern right now. Let's go ahead back. So blockchain chosen, wallet. What is it's injected and see if I'm here. Right, perfect. I click on injected. So okay, so you all know the PancakeSwap. If you're really into Binance Smart Chain, you all know the PancakeSwap routines and staking and farming stuff. We ain't go there. That's not the purpose. We're just showing how you can use that new Web3 wallet. So that's it. That's the game thing. Great thing. So I'll be making a video about the game, the PancakeSwap games. So press and hold the URL to copy. So, oh, it seems like you cannot play the game over there. You have to copy and paste it back, which is something different from the other browsers, from the other wallets like Trust Wallet. So normally you're supposed to be able to play the games right through their browser, but I don't think they have that thing, because when I click here, it's supposed to be sending me to a game. There are two games there: PancakeSwap Protector, which is I'm playing currently, another game. So you cannot play the game. So keep in mind, if you want to play the game, you have to use another wallet, or just export, just copy the link, paste it back, and when they ask you to connect your wallet, just link it to this wallet, or just use Trust Wallet for that. I don't know if you can integrate that thing into Trust Wallet, so you have it both in both wallets. But so far that's it. So we went through all the hoops to get you all the step-by-step process of how you get your wallet, your Web3 wallet, save the key information, important information, password, and the QR code, and we went through the process of sending and receiving tokens, swapping, and accessing the network. So I don't know, I'm tempted of doing a swap thing. So let's see if I can use PancakeSwap to make that to make a transaction. So let's start trading. But what I want to do is just swapping. Yeah, man, V3, that's fine. I know, that's okay. So since I have Binance Smart Chain, I would like to transfer them into, what can I do? Because there's no limit on PancakeSwap. So if you want to, if you want to use the swap, the embedded swap on the Binance Web2 Wallet, you have to have enough money, which is $20 something. So I go ahead with 25. But if you're using PancakeSwap to do the swapping thing, then I don't think they have a limit for that. So we go ahead and revert it back to our USDT, and we just be leaving $2 for fees and stuff, whatever it is. So let's go ahead and select USDT, and then let's see. Okay, so it says we cannot faster the trade. Why not? Okay, I know there's a glitch somewhere. It's kind of from time to time it's pop up but never message, but never mind. It's working right now, so I'm not gonna transfer all of them. I'll be transferring enough for $20. So what you can do, we can just select 25 and it'll be telling you how much BNB you should have. So let's go ahead and take this off and make, I have 26, so I'll be keep it with 25 and $25. So go ahead and just slippage. Just go with 0.1. Exclamation fail, that's not my problem. Go ahead and fail if you can. So I like to play with that. So yeah, slippage minimum possible. Keep that in mind. And if it fails, then you're gonna increase a little from step by step perspective. Keep increasing until you get there. Boom! I transfer my USD back from BNB. Let's see if it will happen without any problem. Remember, we're testing, so there's a kind of fail, learn, and repeat thing. So right here, passkey again. All right, check here to check pass. And ta-ta! Should have $25 in USDT back in my wallet and the remaining for BNB. So let's check back here. So if I check my balance, you can see I have $25 and I have something with some sum of BNB 1.51. Now let's get back to a wallet and see if everything is there as we just did. So go back to the home and let's see, let's refresh a little bit until we get there. It's supposed to be okay. Say contract interaction succeeded, so it needs to be okay. So let's refresh and see what happened. Wait a minute. Okay, perfect. Got 1.73 because I got a couple cents to pay the fees, and I get my $25 back. Now remember, we did the receive, we did the swap, we did everything. I'm not gonna send that $25 back because I know, because why not? So I can try to send $20 back and leave the 25. I can try. Let's see how much they say on the limit we can send back if they set a limit for that. So I say transfer now, take that thing, add domain address. Oh, that means if you want to send it back to any address, but I want to send it back to my exchange wallet. So since they're connected, they're embedded into each other, so I should be in one click. Perfect. So I get it back to my, just like I did, just a reverse thing. I'll send $5, keep $20 there, so send $5 of USDT over there, set me a limit. Okay, there's no limit. There's no limit. So $5 transfer back, and boom, transaction succeeded. Okay. Now let's check those, double check if. Okay, calculation match, $20 sent, 175, 71, and then they got deposit message, fine. So that's it, guys, for today, and the video is a bit longer than expected because there's a trial and failed and fix it. So I receive first, I swap, I do the swap in the app, I do the swap to another dApp, to the browser feature, and I send money back. So all those features work, and then we position ourselves in the winning side if there's any airdrop. So go ahead and do the same with this wallet thing for Binance Web3 Wallet. So if you still need to go through the first video to see where they get that information, go and check the video and go back and complete the thing. So I'm not sure if you can add more Web3 wallets, or so if you can add more. Let's see here. I don't think you can. Probably you can change the wallet name and whatever, but for now just call it wallet. Let's see. Okay, let's call it another name. Let's call it Boss. All right. So name's not changed yet. It's supposed to be called Boss, but yeah, that's it. So wallet name's changed. Everything is all good. Not Binance. You're not gonna access none of my thing. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, you can send me a message in the comments, and we'll be glad to answer. And if we cannot, we'll be glad to we'll be glad to tell you that we don't know the information and we keep looking, but so far we can do our best to help you with that. With that being said, we're not financial advisor. This is not financial advice at any moment of time. This is just a basic tutorial of how you operate with this new wallet. With that being said, let's bounce. Peace.